Here's a scenario I see all too often. A team has an awesome, epic, amazing, mind-blowing fireworks ideation session. Whiteboards are filled, the energy is high, breakthroughs are happening. But then the caffeine wears off, everything slows to a crawl as someone tries to walk away from that meeting, take all the Post-it notes down, and somehow capture it in brilliant, formal documentation after the fact. The momentum dissipates, everybody's left feeling deflated, because they poured their hearts and souls into that session and no measurable outcome resulted from it. Because all of that pain gets us to our second game-changing practice, concurrent documentation. The most innovative companies, though, have discovered something powerful. When you document as you strategize and ideate, you not only move faster, but your ideas actually get better. Let me share a fascinating example from the chemicals industry. Norratize, a specialty chemicals company, completely transformed their approach. So instead of treating documentation as an afterthought, they integrated it directly into their innovation process. Their research teams now capture insights, experimental data, and decisions in real time, creating what they call a living knowledge base. The result? They've shortened their development cycles while improving the quality of their innovations. But here's what's really interesting. This isn't just about speed. When you document as you go, patterns emerge that you might have missed otherwise. Connections between different experiments become visible, and dead ends get spotted earlier on. It's like seeing down into the roots of a tree as it is rapidly still growing vertically. Think about how pilots use checklists before takeoff. Even with years of expertise and experience, they rely on structured workflows to ensure nothing gets missed during critical moments. The most innovative companies are applying this same principle to product development, but with a modern twist. Let me share a powerful example from the life sciences industry. When Moderna was developing their COVID-19 vaccine, they didn't just move fast. They moved fast with precision. They used structured workflows that guided teams through each phase while capturing critical data and decisions. This approach helped them design their vaccine in just 2 days and produce the first clinical batch in 25 days, a process that traditionally could take years. The best workflows don't constrain innovation, they accelerate it. They free up mental bandwidth by handling the routine aspects of documentation and process, letting your team focus on what humans do best, which is, of course, creative problem solving and breakthrough thinking.